Dylan and I are out here today doing a little challenge. So what we're doing is we got a live crawfish. Oh, look at that. And then we got my little makeshift, you know, wormy crawfish. Look at that guy. We're gonna see who can catch the most fish today. You know, hopefully I want Dylan to win. This will be fun. Hit. On. I want to get a rattle trap. I don't know. Alright, what's up fishing friends? Today we're gonna go back to that spot that was in the intro video. So what I'm gonna do is that we're gonna be using worms to catch some bluegill, and then I'm gonna throw the bluegill out that I catch. We'll throw them on a hook, and hopefully we can get some big bass on that. Maybe the gar will bite it. I'm not sure, but I think we could have some good luck today. It's after a big flood that we just had here in Houston. It's May 11th, Mother's Day. You know, I think we could do really well. Only downside is it might be a little bit flooded, so the water levels might be high, but that I think will be fine. I'm making the drive out from Jersey Village to kind of deeper Cypress area, just to a little pond. It's 4:38 p.m. Got about 2.5 hours to fish. Let's see what we can do. All right, so last time the water wasn't this dark, but it's still not bad. So we got our worm here, and let's see how we're gonna get this to work. Look at those Texas cichlids right there. Oh, perfect. That is perfect size, what I wanted. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, cichlid's going for it, the female one. Oh, he bit it. Got him. Perfect. That is such a beautiful freshwater fish. I gotta get a picture of this. But hey, leave in the comments if cichlids are good bait. I've never used them. You know what? If I get another cichlid, I might as well just use it, because that'd be pretty cool videos, actually. He's on. It's a better size, too, so. There's our little bluegill friend. Okay, perfect. I kind of do want to get one more bluegill though. Okay, let's get one more gilly. Okay, so first we're gonna start off with this one. You know, I'm kind of hoping for a gar to bite this baby. Really fish here a lot. Kind of like a blade swim bait on. Oops. I got 50-pound Power Pro on here. Well, the cichlid ended up dying. Oh my god, that's a massive spider that just... Oh, he's kind of still alive, but now he's dead. So I'm gonna throw him back and tie on a live bluegill. I guess the cichlid challenge failed. That's okay. Well guys, we didn't catch anything, which is really sad. You know, I thought we would do well on the cichlid or bluegill, but we didn't. Didn't do anything on top water. I didn't get anything on the worm, on the bandito bug, or the rattle trap. I guess today was just an off day.